Well, friends, let us learn the second part of quantity adjective. Well, I give some examples with regards to little, a little, and the little. He has little money that he can give you. In this sentence, can plus sense, so you have to use a little, not little. It will be incorrect. He has a little or little rice that he can't give you. So in that condition, can't minus sense, you have to use little rice here. Well, the little rice or milk that I had gave all to him. In this sentence, the little or a little, which one you are going to use? Here, that defines a clause. In that condition, you have to use the little, not a little. The little rice or meal that I had gave all to him. Here, this is the little or the little money which is very less. Here in this which defines as clause, in clause this is the little, not this is the little, not the little money which is very less. Here you have to use the little, not the little. Clear? Thank you for understanding few of you, the few as countable adjectives and the little, a little, the little as uncountable adjectives. Let us learn the other parts of quantitative or quantity adjective. Why to use many? Many is used before countable noun. I have many friends. So you can't use here friends is a countable noun. Much will not be correct for you. Many will be correct. Here if you have, do you have many friends or any friends? In the case of question, you can't use many words, here you use any friends. Several. Several also used in countable cases or before countable noun. These are several points. Points define countable, so you have to use several words. Here, let us learn most or much. Most is used in case of countable and uncountable both. If I do write, I have most cases here for you. So most is used in the case of countable. Why to use much? Much is used before uncountable noun, which you cannot count. I have much milk. Milk defines here as uncountable, so you are going to use much. She has much money. So money is uncountable, so you are going to use much here, not many monies. It will be wrong for you. I have many or some or much rupees. In this sentence, what you are going to use? Many. In the case of rupees, many is not used, and much is an uncountable is not used. Some rupees. Clear? Let me teach with regards to each and every. Each is used in case of two or more than two. In case of two, each man of two has come. So with two you are going to use each man. Each man is learning here. So it may be defined with more than two. Here. But what are is not applicable in this sentence. Well friends, let us learn every. Every is used in case of more than two. More than two. Every one of them has come. So every with that one you are using at the same time another pronoun, personal pronoun, them is used. But if subject is everyone, the verb will be singular one, singular subject and singular verb, singular subject and singular verb. Everyone is helping me. That defines more than two. Clear? So after every, let us learn any. Any defines one or more than one. Any one of them can do it. So them defines selecting one out of them. Them defines plural form as personal pronoun in objective form. Do you have any known persons here? Known persons here. In the case of questionable sentence, any has to be used. Some is not used in the interrogative sentence. So any is used in the case of one or selecting many or selecting more than one. You can use any one. But in the case of interrogative or negative sentence, you have to use any. I do not have, I don't have any person. So in negative sentence, you have to use any. Many can be used or some cannot be used with negative sentence or interrogative sentence. In interrogative and negative in both cases, you have to use any. Clear, friends? Let us learn no. No defines singular I have no money. I have no money. Or no men. So in countable and uncountable, in both cases, adjective no can be used. All. All is used before countable noun. All is used before countable noun. All men are doing. So in case of countable noun, you are using all men will be wrong for you, all men will be wrong for you. Men defines plural form. All men, all has or all have their opinions. Once you are using therein as an adjective, in that condition you have to use have, not has. All has or all have opinions. But once you are not using their, in that condition has will be applicable, have will not be applicable. Let us learn some. Some is used before countable and uncountable both. I have some money. Money is uncountable. I have some friends. Friends is countable. But if you write negative sense of it, I do not have some, or some, or to select any, you can't use some. I do not have any friends, or I do not have any money. Some is not used in that condition. Thank you very much for learning adjective of quantity. If you like my video, please do subscribe. Please do subscribe. I will teach you more about grammar in the forthcoming days. Thank you.